Hey guys, welcome to Out of the Loop. In today's video we're going to be building a lead idea on top of this small project that we have here. Things that you hear in this project are typical sounds that you would find in melodic house, progressive house. So you guys will be able to study this entire project because I'll be giving it away in my Patreon link down below. So for a lead idea, I'm going to open up Diva. We're going to go to a section of this track. Let's find somewhere, maybe just here. Well, I've already got the loop set up. And so we're going to loop and we're going to just feel out something and try and get some nice lead going. And this is how I would typically produce a track. I would have my track playing and then I'm just kind of playing things around with melody, messing around with sound design. And so I just want to do that in front of you guys so you guys can see. So, got Diva open. I think what I need to do, close this down a little bit, sustain it, add more reverb, add a little LFO on here, I think might be quite nice. Bring down this delay so it comes in straight away. Cool. So I'm just playing things on my keyboard and then I can just press this here and it will save what I've done. And I think I liked just starting on this A here and then I kind of worked down, went down back to the A. We can have this. Maybe we can introduce it with a G here. And all I'm doing is I'm making sure I'm staying in my scale, which is A minor, which is essentially just all the white notes. Let's try and get this a bit more smooth. I think what I need to do is just consolidate this. I'll click it, press Control and J, consolidate it. So now it's not, I can't see all the other things that I was pressing before. And what I want to do is just get this timing right. So this comes a little bit early. Have it maybe start here. Same with this. And this could maybe start here. Just loop it for now, but maybe we will change this loop. Just need to click the loop here. And what I'm going to do now is get rid of the low end of the sound. And maybe I can just thicken it up a little bit. It's a little bit bright. Maybe we can have a bit of a lower octave. Just close it down a bit. Bit of noise. Something here is not gelling too well. Maybe we can sync these oscillators together. I'm going to change this to an envelope 2. Stack the voices. the voices and just mess them around a little bit. Maybe get this voice drift off. Bit of cut off variants to the voices. Bit of filter modulation, so FM is going into oscillator 2, which is basically the speed of this oscillator is modulating the speed of this one. Turn it down a bit. Yeah, a bit of delay on here would be nice. Yeah, nice. So we can play around with that. We can bring this in. So I've just clicked on whatever I wanted to modulate. In this case, it was the LFO. And then we can just kind of bring that up and down. Maybe not always just going to the end. We could go halfway through this note being played. Maybe building up towards this note. Let's have a listen. Let's compress it a bit so when it does get loud, it just calms down a bit. I think a bit more white noise would be quite nice for this sound, so I'm actually going to make it so when this LFO increases, more white noise comes in. Yeah, just a bit. To make this a bit more wet. Maybe we could change the shape of the LFO. Let's try with a saw down. And we could put it on polarity so it just goes one direction. Very nice. Bit of feedback. No feedback. Don't really want much of this low end. I think this is a good sound. I'm happy with this. I'm going to save it. Lead idea. Oh, what's going on with the capitals? Lead idea. LFO noise. So I just, for me, I say I put things that I know are in there. There's an LFO that's playing a big role. There's a fair bit of white noise in there. It's by me, La. So I'll save this and then you guys can play around with this entire project. It'll be available down below in the Patreon, and you guys can dive into all the things here so you can see what has actually gone into this project. Thank you very much for watching the video, guys. I hope you learned something and a way of building a lead idea for melodic house and progressive house, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.